In this expression, we have one parenthesis, one multiplication, and one subtraction. Inside this parenthesis, we have one subtraction. Here we have a multiplication because in mathematics, when a number is placed next to parentheses, it means multiplication. And we usually don't write the multiplication sign for brevity. Okay, so according to the order of operations, first we have to do parentheses, then exponents, then multiplication or division, and finally addition or subtraction. Remember that multiplication and division have equal priority and we have to work from left to right. And the same applies to addition and subtraction. So here, first we have to do this parentheses, then this multiplication, and finally this subtraction. Okay, so first this parentheses. Inside this parentheses, we have 5 minus 1, which equals 4. So 4 times 5 minus 1. Now we have to do this multiplication because multiplication has higher priority than subtraction. 4 times 5 gives us 20. So 20 minus 1, which equals 19. And this is our final answer to this problem.